Vizard completely changed the way I think about turning long, complex videos into snackable content for social media. As someone who spends hours layering VFX in After Effects, I used to dread the tedious grind of chopping up long projects. Now, Vizard does the heavy lifting by finding viral moments and turning them into ready-to-post clips without me babysitting the process. Let me walk you through how I actually use it, using a recent high-end project of mine called End of the World as a concrete example. That project involved heavy compositing and green screen work, which usually means a mountain of repetitive exports and edits. Normally, I'd sit in Premiere, scrub through for punchy moments, make thumbnails, reformat to vertical, and balance audio for hours. This time, I uploaded the full-length edit to Vizard, and within minutes, it suggested a stack of highly shareable moments. Vizard's AI didn't just chop randomly, it actually picked the high-energy cuts that match how people engage on TikTok and Reels. The first step is always to finish your main long-form edit in Premiere or Final Cut, treating Vizard as a repurposing partner, not a replacement. Step 2 is uploading that file, where Vizard analyzes the footage for audio spikes and motion to auto-detect the best highlights. Third, I quickly review and tweak the AI suggestions, adding captions or choosing different aspect ratios for specific platforms. Step 4 is the real game changer. I use the content calendar to schedule these clips to post automatically at peak times. This allows me to plan a full month of content in one focused hour instead of manually queuing files every single day. Step 5 is the final export or publish, where I can either push directly to socials or bring clips back to Premiere for bespoke VFX. That workflow gives me the best of both worlds. Vizard handles the editorial heavy lifting, while I keep creative control over the final polish. I still use other specialized tools like Clean AI for specific needs, like animating a freeze frame into a motion piece. However, Vizard fills the gap that those single-use tools can't touch, specifically batch processing and scheduling dozens of clips at once. On my last project, I used a combination approach to create a dramatic end card that perfectly capped off my Vizard-generated clips. The result was a consistent posting cadence with a high production value, all without me doubling my workload. A few practical tips. Let the AI do the first pass to see moments you might have missed, and create custom templates for channel cohesion. Don't be afraid to take Vizard clips back into Premiere for complex color matching and use upscalers like Topaz for older footage. Vizard wins for creators who need scale because of 3 daily features: the viral clip editing, the auto scheduler, and the content calendar. Compared to other options that just offer a simple editor, Vizard combines everything into one cohesive, time-saving workflow. Pricing-wise, if you're publishing several shorts a week, the time you save is easily worth the subscription for the ROI alone. If an AI pick isn't perfect, just reject it and make a manual clip. It's still way faster than doing the whole process from scratch. Vizard helped me stop treating each video as a single deliverable and start seeing every upload as a content funnel. That one long-form YouTube piece became an entire month of Reels, TikToks, and ads, all pre-planned and ready to go. So if you're juggling long edits and the constant pressure to post, try this. Finish in Premiere, upload to Vizard, and let the AI find your moments. My name is Alex, and Vizard has quietly become an essential part of my toolkit for managing the content grind. If this workflow sounds useful, try setting aside 1 hour after your next edit to batch your socials and see the momentum it creates. Drop your favorite tool combinations in the comments, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.